Collective, because of what someone has invested into, they're in sorrow, they're grieving in the current moment. Spirit is telling me, time interference, do not rush. You are getting there. I'm picking up on a third party. I do feel like someone is making the decision to walk away from a third party here, Divine Collective. They're starting to realize that they've invested into the wrong person, possibly. A lot of sorrow in this person's energy, Divine Collective. They are grieving the loss of you here. Spirit is saying there's no need to rush, all right? This person needs to heal. This third party, I feel like they were some type of interference between you and this person. A time interference is of significance. Someone absolutely fell for Satan's tricks, Divine Collective, and it cost them their divinity. That is what I'm hearing, okay? It's time to choose yourself. There's a decision that needs to be made, Divine Collective. Someone is being judged here. Someone that came up against you, Divine Collective, that is experiencing a lot of sorrow in the current moment, they're being judged, okay? I do see that you have real love here. Someone coming in wanting to reciprocate what it is that you give, Divine Collective. They want to give you the same, if not more, okay? Real love reciprocated. Someone was planning something on the full moon. The full moon is of significance in this reading, Divine Collective, but it has already backfired, Spirit says. Whoever this is, they tried to cut you off from every source of support, Divine Collective. Every source of support. So if in your life you know you were always getting denied, or it's like you always got declined, maybe you never qualified for certain programs, Divine Collective, just know that there was a reason for that, okay? This person, these people, these organizations, these entities, they tried to cut you off from every source of support so that you would absolutely lose yourself and never be able to awaken, Divine Collective. And now everybody is fighting everybody instead of you. They're all fighting one another, Spirit says, okay? And yeah, you're just moving forward here, Divine Collective. So I'm hearing oligarchy. This isn't a word that I hear often, Divine Collective. Oligarchy. Oligarchy is a form of government in which power rests with a small number of people, Divine Collective. Power is typically controlled by people from the same family or social group. Spirit is speaking of an oligarchy, if I'm saying that correctly, okay? Yeah, someone is being sentenced in this reading. Again, someone is afraid of being judged. However, they are being sentenced. They're in trouble with the law. I do see here that you have new gifts. You are highly intuitive. There's a new pathway here, Divine Collective, and new gifts in this reading. If you've been in separation from someone here, for so many of us, we've absolutely been in separation from our counterpart, Divine Collective. If you've been in separation, Spirit is saying you won't be in separation for long, okay? Someone, I don't feel like they can wait any longer. There's someone here that's been waiting to come towards you, Divine Collective, to reciprocate real love. I keep hearing real love, okay? They're waiting on the right opportunity to come in here. Spirit says you won't be separated for much longer. Balance, Gemini energy, heavy on the Gemini energy, Divine Collective. Yeah, lovers. Gemini is the lovers. So heavy on the Gemini energy. There's never a dull moment. There's never going to be a dull moment between you and this person, Divine Collective, okay? You're someone who has outsmarted the devil. I'm getting an avenging energy here, Divine Collective. Avenging energy. Yeah, someone wants to bring their money up here. They want to give you better. I feel like that's why someone is waiting on the right opportunity to come in. I feel like this person is still working on something or healing themselves, Divine Collective. And Spirit says they're working on they need to bring their money up, or they feel they need to bring their money up because they're wanting to give you better, Divine Collective. This person may go to church, okay? So, you know, I am picking up on some differences in beliefs here, but nothing that is too challenging, Divine Collective, okay? I heard this person may go to church. You stand out, Spirit is telling me. You're someone who stands out. They see you as abundant. You stand out, Divine Collective. Someone wants a chance to explain something to you. I'm getting pets, dogs being of significance. Okay, pets. You're at peace, Divine Collective, but there's someone here who's in danger. They are being sentenced, Spirit is telling me. Separation is here. Separation is here. You are manifesting a new reality. Spirit says that your thoughts become things. I'm getting the Magician here. Your thoughts become things. The Most High is still the Most High, Divine Collective. You are protected 100%. A lot of you, Spirit is saying you may still want this person, but you have to prioritize yourself, okay? For some of you, I feel like you may still want to help them. Not that you want this person. Let me clarify that. I feel like for so many of you, you're still in that part of your journey where you're thinking of ways of helping these people. You're thinking that you can do this. You can awaken them. You can pull them out of whatever this is, okay? Spirit is saying, no, that's not how this works. You will find yourself stuck if you prioritize others' awakenings over yours, Divine Collective. That's not how this works, okay? There's new developments in a case that I'm picking up on, Divine Collective. New developments in a case. It's so hot out here. You've released, you've walked away, and you've moved on from the situation. People really like you, Divine Collective. 7:27 on the clock. There is a thief that I'm picking up on in your energy. A thief. Someone who wants to disrupt the order, Spirit says. Go up against God here. This is a thief. You may be doing something new online here, Divine Collective. Yeah, whoever this is, I'm getting an avenging energy wanting to come towards you, but it's like they got a couple loose ends to tie up, Divine Collective, so there's no need to rush here, okay? Spirit says this person is your 10 of Pentacles. Maybe it is that you're at the 9 of Pentacles, and when this person comes in, it's going to be the 10 of Pentacles, Divine Collective. They're going to add to your 9 of Pentacles, but not that they're only bringing one Pentacle. They already have their own Pentacles. They're just going to add to your 9. That is what Spirit is saying, okay? And you have someone in the background that has intuitively picked up on whoever this avenging energy is coming towards you, and they're confused, they're afraid, they're angry, they're projecting a lot of energy here, Divine Collective, okay? Someone is saying that you're stealing from them, Divine Collective. 1986 is of significance. June 1986. Someone was telling others that you were promiscuous, that you were a, I'm not going to say this word, it's ugly. They were saying that you were a W-H-O-R-E, Divine Collective. What's this about, Spirit? A sister. This was a sister, Divine Collective. What? Spirit says this sister ain't shit. Excuse my language. Okay? This is someone who does... Sorry, guys. This is someone who does a lot of drugs. They drink a lot, Divine Collective. They have unhealthy behavior, Spirit says. Attachments. A lot of promiscuous energy coming off of them as they're trying to go around telling others that this is you. Those are projections to keep the attention off of them, Divine Collective. Understand that, okay? It's a sister. Wow. Notorious for playing victim, Spirit says. Mad because you are telling the truth and you are exposing them.